Any chance of a slightly more boring, mundane, run-of-the-mill season without drama for Newcastle?
Well, only a fool would try to predict how Newcastle will go. So here goes. But in fact, they are particularly difficult to predict this year because there's been so much change. Obviously, they lost Andy Carroll in January. Kevin Nolan went during the summer. So that was a big chunk of the goals that they scored last season would have gone. They've brought in some players who are full of potential. Sylvain Marveaux, who's a left winger that they brought in from France, can be a very good player. And although the left flank was actually worked particularly well for Newcastle last year with Jose Enrique and Jonas combining well, we don't know if Enrique is still going to be there at this point in time. They also bought Yohan Cabaye from Lille, who's a very good driving midfielder as well. I think he'll prove a good purchase. And Atem Ben Arfa will come back, although he's injured again at the point of recording, but it's not thought to be a particularly serious injury. So he will come back. How long it takes him to get back to his best, we don't know. How long he can stay at his best once he gets there, we don't know, because even during his time in France with Marseille and Lyon, he was an inconsistent and infuriating performer, capable of moments of brilliance and prolonged slumps. And then up front, the man who I guess you could say is replacing Andy Carroll is another guy full of quality, Demba Ba. But again, there's doubts about his longevity. If all of the players they've brought in can click, remain fit and perform well, then Newcastle should have a good season.
There's an increasing French influence, it seems.
Demba Ba, in fairness, is your stereotypical English-style striker. Although he has finesse, he's a big, powerful guy who you can lamp long Joey Barton-style passes to if you want to. So I don't think it'll be a radical change of style of play.
Where do you think Newcastle might end up this year?
I think they'll be comfortable, perhaps top half. Lack of depth in their squad may cost against them if all these injuries and fitness problems resurface throughout the season. But all things being equal, I'd say upper half.